We're here at one of my favorite projects to date here in the South Hills of Pittsburgh, and it looks totally different. If you remember back a little bit, it used to be dark in this kitchen. There was a wall between the kitchen and dining. You can check out our other videos that go through the whole preview and what it looked like before. So be sure to check out those videos, subscribe and like it, and leave some comments because we always want to hear from you guys. So let's get into the details of what we did here. We took down the wall between the kitchen and the dining space, and now the space is open. There's an island with seating where the whole family could sit down for a meal, or they can sit at the table and they're still talking to each other. A couple of my favorite things in this space are the cabinets. Obviously, they're gorgeous. They're inset cabinets. There's white on the perimeter, and then there's a light taupe on the island. And then to top them off, there are these gorgeous leathered quartzite countertops, which are beautiful and they're very durable. So it's great. This family has kids. They've got to have materials that stand up to the test of time. So a couple of the other finishes are really unique too, which I love. So the backsplash tile are these beautiful Zalige tiles. They are handmade. They're gorgeous. Each one of them is different. Like, there are different edges, there's waves, there's character in each one of the tiles. And so there's like a little pearlescent to it. It's gorgeous. And I love that there's no upper cabinets on this wall because it really lets the hood and the light fixtures just totally have a moment. And we provided so much storage on either side of the fridge. We have tons of storage in the island, and that's actually where they put their plates and bowls and glasses. So they didn't need upper cabinets necessarily, so we got it all in the island with some very organized storage solutions. And that really allows for the back wall with the tile to just feel very open, very spacious, and it really allows the hood to have its own special moment too. When we first started, this family had a pantry that was like 5 inches deep and the door didn't even close. So having some pantry storage was really important, and we were able to do that from floor to ceiling on either side of the fridge. But then it kind of left this weird corner that was like, we didn't know what to do with. So we actually came up with building in a bookshelf that was very functional. So we added electrical, they can put their coffee pot in there. It makes a lot of sense for this family. And then they've got shelving above, which really helps them either with decoration or it could be useful storage too. Since there's no upper cabinets on this back wall, we had to add as much storage as possible. And one of the places we could do that was in the eating area with the banquette and the beautiful cabinets on either side. And if you'll notice, those cabinets are the same color as the island cabinets. They're not white. And we chose to do that because kids are sitting on the bench. There's gonna be feet dinging the bottom. So we felt like if we went with white, you could see every scuff mark. So we decided to go with the taupe just so it would hide as much as possible. And I think it looks beautiful. If you remember, at the beginning of this project, there used to be a bay window near the eating area. Well, the homeowners decided while we were here to ask us to take out the bay window and put in these gorgeous French doors. So I am really happy with all the light that's coming in. It's just an absolutely beautiful space now and way more functional. Now they have an access to the outside area instead of having to go all the way around the other way. So I really feel like adding those doors was awesome. I hope you've enjoyed watching this as much as we enjoyed working on this project. Stay tuned because we are going to be back with these homeowners doing a lot more work.